feeling lazy? Not really. But I want to have a little fun, do something a little different I haven't done in a while. And we're going to do a pan-seared blue cheese steak. So that should be pretty fun, tasty, and enjoyable for only $22. Not bad, right? So without further ado, in order to make our steak, we're going to need a few things. Number one, garlic, mushrooms, of course, blue cheese, some pre-made vegetables over here that we're going to slice up and saute. We have some pepper and salt mixture, lime juice, good old-fashioned pepper, and the main event, of course, 2 nicely tasty ribeyes. So without further ado, without any more waiting, let's go ahead and show y'all
dice up our mushrooms. So we're gonna put our mushrooms in our pan. After our steak gets nice and brown, we're gonna add a little flavor to the steak and the overall meal. So always remember, hand on top. Only when you're dicing like this, get everything all nice and diced down. So you want to get small pieces as possible. That way it can cover your steak while you're cooking it. Get the mushrooms all over it. Just like that. Now, we have good, nice and diced mushrooms. We're going to do the same thing we did with our mushroom to the garlic. So, right here in the middle like that, and go. Again, you want to just dice it all down until you get to the desired size that you're looking for. And you always want to dice it up because you always want your stuff to be uniform as possible when you're working with stuff like this. Just like that. Now we're going to add this to our bowl for our mushrooms and saute. First thing we're going to do first, dog's redundant. The first thing we're going to do is add a little lime juice. Just a little bit, not too much. We're going to do it on both sides. Just like that. So now, that actually going to help break down the protein in our beef. So now, we're going to go ahead and get our pepper. Just like that. We're going to salt at our salt right here. Touch, 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 touch. Not too much. Touch, touch, touch. Flip it. And one more run. The pepper and salt. Touch, touch, touch. Touch, 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 touch. And that's all you need. Just a little touch of salt and pepper. And now we'll go ahead and throw them on the skillet, yeah? Here we got steak on the skillet. What we're going to do is we're going to cook it evenly on both sides. Once we have a nice good browning on each side, we'll go ahead and start adding our mushrooms and our garlic to the pan and let everything come down. And then what we're going to do when it gets brown too is bring the heat down. Right now we want a little high heat. We're at medium. We're going to bring it down to about a nice low, medium low after our steak starts to brown. Now add butter to the top of the steak like that. And then we're going to add one more piece of butter like this. And what we're going to do now is add our mushrooms and garlic to the pan. Just like that. Now we're going to go ahead and let it cook a little bit longer until we get a nice medium well steak, or actually medium rare steak. So I like mine a little red. And then we'll be ready to go. And then we'll add our potatoes and vegetables. Are almost done. We're at my favorite part of the dish. We're going to go ahead and start sprinkling our blue cheese on the steak. Just like that. And then we're going to go ahead and pull them off. So that while they're still cooking, we can go ahead and put them on a plate and start working on our vegetables. So we're going to gently pull them off like that. Same with that one. And we're going to leave our mushrooms and garlic in here to work with our other vegetable pan. We're gonna go ahead and cook these down until they're nice and ready to go, and then we'll have our full complete dish. Our vegetables and everything are done now. So we're gonna go ahead and start making our plate. Equally smooth. Put our veggies. Boom. Then our steak. Boom. Just like that, you have a nice, pretty blue cheese steak.
Hey, I see you watching. Hey, while you're watching, why don't you click there and subscribe? And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.